Hey, it's me, Fabulous Raptor. Sorry I haven't made a video in the longest time, guys. My brother, Nick, stole my house, stole my inheritance, and, ended the show, and now I'm living in a truck. And he broke the camera. Well, actually, the camera broke on its own. And I hate living in a truck. I'm living in the back of an Optimus Prime Nerf gun from like 2005. It's just horrible living environment. Especially since, oh, and there was one other reason why I haven't made a video in a long time. I found a girl. Her name's Veronica, and I have to live with her in this truck. There she is. She's never been on camera before, so she probably won't talk much. In fact, she'll probably just actually attack the camera. Veronica, that's not. You're acting the way Tyrone did. Also, that T-Rex, that I had a feud with in the first couple of episodes. Now we're best friends. He'll be around, hopefully later. I told him maybe he could make an appearance. Pipsqueak! What are you doing? Let the camera over, please. I want everyone to see the maniac that's taking his fortune out. Don't drop the camera, you moron. Sorry for calling you a moron. Nick, you don't need to do that. Oh, and I should mention, Nick's adopted. He's actually a baryonyx. It says clearly on my chest. Deinonychus. Can't you read, you imbecile? No. Could you please spin my house back the way you found it? Nah. I just wanted to come back for my money. Seriously, it doesn't look like you have it. I'm leaving. Oh, and I'm just gonna leave you something for good luck. Well, I guess it's any time. I guess there's no other better time to give you Give me a quick second. Ow. Ah! Oh, how does it... Well, there it is. Oh man, you really can't see anything. Yeah. Let's back it up into some light. Can you even see me? Veronica. 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 Oh, there you are. Can you tell me if they can see me? Barely. Oh, thank you. She kinda sounds like me. I don't know why. But she can. Give me a couple more seconds and I will have this thing moved. I want to let people know that Raptors can drive. Can you see it better? Hopefully you can. Here you go. This is where I live in. This is a really nice blue color. I picked it out myself. oval rims, and hopefully I don't get trademarked for this. But I thought. Ah, there we go. There we go. Barely can see it. Probably need a flashlight in here. But I don't know. Actually, right. I might be able to find something that might have some sort of light. Autobot symbol. Yeah. Yeah, I got an Autobot symbol. I pretty much put the camera down. I don't remember. I pretty much live in a Optimus Prime. So let me turn it around. I can probably do this with grit. Okay. Open up the source of light. Lift up the camera, please. There you go. Yeah, please. Look at that pretty. Look at that prettiness. Should I get it all in frame? Come on. Okay. Let me get in frame now. Am I in frame? Am I? Oh, now I am, I think. Am I? Okay, good. Yep, there you go. That's my house. It's pathetic. Absolutely pathetic. Give me a few more seconds and you can see how deep, dark, and heartless it is. See? Just how you're actually looking in my house. Let's see if I can do this. Yeah, my source of light is the DS. There we go. There we go. See something? I think you see something orange. Yeah, that's the handle because I live in a Nerf gun. You know, I live in a Transformer. Take your finger off the camera, please. Yeah, I live in a Transformers Nerf gun. It's not good at all. Hey, buddy. Oh, what are you doing? Ow. Oh, nice cool camera. Hello. Da 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 da. Do 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 do. Oh, let me close this. Don't need to lose power. Do we? Get away from the camera before you break it, Tyrone. Good boy. I failed. You want to look? This is why. This is why. Just get going. Please, 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 please. So yeah, we're running into 8:30 in 8 minutes 30 seconds. We're in the video here. I'm gonna say I enjoyed doing this and see you later. Goodbye. Obvious Raptor out. Let me at least get in frame while I say that. Sorry if you see hands. Bye.